subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Vivo Y11 2019 edition back in October 2019, the company has now relaunched a new version of it in China with quite premium looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The Vivo Y11 features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 88% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 2GB by using Memory Fusion 2.0 technology, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo Y11 2023 edition supports a single 8MP camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture, and it has 5MP selfie shooter under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box with Origin OS Ocean Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an face unlock system for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.63 by 8.49mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y11 2023 edition has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 899 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in Obsidian Black and Ice Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y11 2023 edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.